Like with a prose passage, in order to clarify the process of how you answer certain questions, we're not going to go over the questions in order. Instead, we are again going to go over them in groups by how you approach answering the question. So the first group of questions is the kind where, after you read the question, you can answer it in your own words before you look at the answer choices. Once you have answered using your brain voice, then you find the choice that matches your version of the answer. So let's start with number 2. Aquatic insects can be said to have a complex life cycle. It can be reasonably assumed that the term complex life cycle means what to a biologist? Well, you might first think to yourself that the term complex life cycle means that insects have many stages or parts to their lives, like how the aquatic bugs crawl, then drift, then fly. Okay, let's go through the choices. Well, choice A is the life cycle has several stages. This seems good because it's pretty close to the answer that you gave in your own words. The issue is that when you look through the other choices just to be sure, there are some traps that may make you second-guess yourself. But what you have to remember is that you are answering the question, what does it mean to have a complex life cycle? So choice B, organisms are mobile during their lives, well, this is a trap. Yes, fine. Organisms are mobile during their lives, and sure, this whole passage is about the different ways that aquatic insects move. But is the fact that they move the reason why they have complex life cycles? No, this is like an answer to a different question. It touches on what the passage is about, but it is not answering the question. So remember, when you have answered the question in your own words and then found an answer that matches your answer, do not get sucked into the other answer choices.